Introducing the ultimate tool for your farming needs. This versatile backhoe implement has a reach of up to 2,510 millimeter and requires only 52 to 60 horsepower. The machine is powerful and efficient. Aside from that, the machine can easily attach to any hydraulic port-equipped tractor. This backhoe is ready to tackle any task for your agricultural needs. Whether it's shaping the land for irrigation systems or preparing the perfect surface for planting, this backhoe is perfect to get the job done. The machine is also equipped with a bucket cylinder of 2,066 breakout kilogram force and a dipper stick cylinder of 1,148 digging kilogram force. It's built to handle the toughest tasks with ease. From digging trenches for irrigation systems to clearing debris and loading materials, the possibilities are endless. With its easy controls and durable machine, don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your farming operations with this backhoe implement. For more videos and actual demonstrations, follow us on social media and stay tuned.